Hello, I just thought I'd record a quick video to show how we can use webhooks to send alerts from the Meraki dashboard into a Webex space. As you can see, I'm logged into the Meraki dashboard. Before I go any further here, I need to bring up Webex and create a space that we're going to send these alerts to. Let's call this Meraki Alerts. Created this space. Now I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Alerts can be found under network-wide configuration alerts. These alerts are usually set up to be sent to a single default recipient and email address. For the purpose of this video, I've removed the email address, but if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see webhooks. And what we need to do, we need to add a HTTPS receiver. Okay, we're going to name this receiver Meraki to Webex. We're going to change the payload template to Webex. And now what we need is a URL to send these alerts to. To get this, we need to move across to the Webex app hub. Once in the hub, we can then search for incoming webhooks integration by Cisco Systems. This is the one we want. We just select this. And we need to connect this app. Now I'm going to log in with my Webex account. Once I'm logged in, it shows that incoming webhooks application is connected. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and I'm going to create a webhook name. Once I've named it something, in this case I'm going to use Meraki Alerts. I then need to select the space, and this is the Meraki Alert space we created earlier. Now I'm going to add that. Once we've selected add, we'll then be given a webhook URL. So copy that to the clipboard and move back across to the Meraki dashboard, where I'm now going to paste in that URL and select save. To test that this is working, I'm also going to send a test webhook using this button here. And as you can see from the top right hand corner of the screen, alert has been sent to that Webex space. Let's take a look at it in Webex. And as you can see, that alert is within the Webex space. As you can see, there's a number of different criterias that I've ticked to receive alerts for. What I need to do before receiving these alerts into the Webex room is add that newly created Webex room as the default recipient. And as we can see, we have webhook Meraki to Webex. We'll select that and select save again. Under wireless, you'll notice when a new user registers via a splash screen, I should receive an alert. To test this, I'm going to connect to my guest SSID, creating a new account to show that once a new account has been created by the splash screen, an alert will appear in Webex. This will then notify me or another administrator if they're a member of the Webex space to then be able to log into the dashboard and authorize that user for access onto the guest network. Just registering a new user account for the guest network, and I've just selected create new account. And as you can just see in the top right hand corner, an alert has appeared in the Webex space. Let's take a look at the Webex space, and as you can see, a new user has attempted to register via this splash screen using the email address webhook.demo@mail.com and a username of webhook demo. The purpose of this demo is to demonstrate how we can leverage webhooks to send Meraki alerts into a Webex space. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, queries, or concerns about anything you've seen in this video, please feel free to reach out to me.